Lookeyz comes with a huge inventory catalog of keys, remotes, and locks, and it keeps growing with new items added every day. Still, no catalog contains everything. If you can't find an item in the system, you can add it yourself in minutes. It joins your company inventory immediately, and it also helps Lookeyz grow by adding new items to the catalog. Let's add one now. From the inventory list, click Add New. The first step is telling Lookeyz what kind of item this is. We choose the category first. Our key is automotive. Then we choose the type. Lookeyz supports many item types like keys, remotes, tools, locks, and more. We're adding a proximity smart key, so we'll select proximity. Next comes the basic information. We'll enter the item's name. The price is based on the average price from suppliers. We'll set $34.99. Notify at quantity is the low stock alert for this item. Setting it to 1 means Lookeyz warns us when we're down to the last one. You can also add a description to help your team recognize the item, but we'll skip it here. Every new item needs at least one location with stock. We'll choose the location, enter how many we physically have, and confirm with the check button. Make sure your line is saved in the table before moving on. You can add stock to more locations the same way. Now the automotive details, these are optional, but the more you fill in, the easier it is for your team to identify the exact key. We'll enter the test key, the code series, and the chip. The FCC ID is especially important because it's one of the fastest ways to find this key later. This key has no IC number, so we leave it empty. We'll add the battery type, the buttons, and the part number. For the condition, we'll choose aftermarket, and the frequency is 433 megahertz. Every item needs a product photo. Click Upload Photo and choose the image. A clear photo makes the item easy to recognize in search results and on the item page. Vehicle fitment is what connects this key to the cars it works with. Once fitment is here, this item shows up whenever anyone searches by vehicle. There are 2 ways to do it. If the item fits many cars, the fastest way is the template. Download it, fill in the make, model, and year or year range for each vehicle and upload it back. If it fits just a few, add them manually. And if a maker model is missing from the list, switch to Create New and type it in yourself. Our key fits one model, so we'll add it manually. Make Hyundai, model Kona, years 2023 to 2026. Confirm with the check button and the fitment is saved. You can attach notes to the item. We'll skip that this time. You can also add SKU codes and supplier links. Supplier links help Lookeyz gather the best information about an item and improve how it's presented for everyone. For this example, we'll leave these fields empty. Everything is ready. Click Save Item. And here it is, live in your inventory. The name and photo, the price and stock we entered, and every detail we filled in, including the FCC ID and the vehicles it fits. From now on, anyone on your team can find this key by its name, FCC ID, or the vehicle it fits. That's how you add a new item. And every item you add makes Lookeyz more useful for your team.